Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce 12.3-inch IPS touchscreen QLED screen special for Honda Accord. Okay, let me unbox the review. Let me open the box. Install kit, install cable, this header unit, and this LED is cable for 7-inch. This screen. Okay. Now let me show. Let me show the cable at first. This is special cable for LVDS for 7-inch. If your original screen has factory 7-inch, you need this cable. If your header unit is 8-inch, you doesn't need this LVDS this cable. Okay, this LVDS, this connects our back of header unit, and this for factory adapter for 7-inch original OEM 7-inch radio. If your car screen is 8-inch, you doesn't need this cable. Okay. Okay, you can check this special header unit for Honda Accord. This power cable, power and the speaker, and this connect our back for header unit, and this back for backup camera 12 voltage. This audio out left and right audio out. This camera input, this DVR input, RC type, okay. And this LVDS cable, SPDIF input, USB. This USB connect to your original USB port. Connect OEM USB port. Okay, this AUX adapter, you can connect this on this cable, and please check this SPDIF output, and you need to connect this adapter to this SPDIF, this decoder box. Okay, this external microphone, and this is why I do not need to connect this AUX detect, and this for amplifier, this 12 voltage, this is why I do not need to connect. Okay, this connects to your OEM USB port, original USB port gets the sound, and this GPS antenna, this 4G antenna, this GPS antenna. Okay, let me show you. This is the part that you can check. This left and the right. and this head unit screen is connected to the screen. This cable connected to the screen, and you can check this this LVDS port connect this for if your original screen is 7-inch, you need to connect this adapter on this port, and this adapter connects the car original plug. This is GPS and this 4G. Okay, and you can connect. You can take it out and push in that connection, and this audio. There you can check this SIM card slot. The SIM card slot and come with 2 USB cable. Okay, you can connect this on this connection, and this connector do not need to connect. This phone 12.3-inch code, Honda code, and this is 1920 and 720 resolution, RAM 6 GB and 128 GB. Okay. And this screen, high resolution QLED screen. You can check. Connect this connector on this connection. Connect here, and this screen you can check. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.